Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pashmeen and today I will be talking about how to get inner glow and beauty in just 2 minutes. Now we all know how much we are dependent on makeup and high-end cosmetic products which do no good to our skin in the long run. So today I will be sharing with you a very simple and a very effective tool to get that inner glow in no time. Now for this you will be needing a jar of water and a chunk of rose quartz crystal. Now this is a healing crystal. It has got a lot of healing properties. You can buy this from the link I have shared below in the description box, and this is not so expensive guys. So once you get hold of this crystal, all you're going to do is to charge the crystal and put intentions inside it to work for yourself. I have already charged this crystal to work for me in the departments of self-love, to invite correct love, to invite healthy love, declutter me of all the negativity and also get that inner glow in me. So once you have charged the crystal, you're going to put it inside the jar and let it sit aside for 5 minutes. That's it. That is all you need to do. Now a pro tip which I'll be sharing is you can charge this water on a full moon night because it only multiplies its vibrational qualities, and all you're going to do is to consume this water regularly. Make this as a part of your skincare regime guys. I have been doing this for over a decade, and trust me, since the day I have started practicing this, it has completely transformed my aura. It has completely helped me become a better version of myself. It has helped me to see the world in a more positive and in a more loving way. So do try this. This is not just going to work on your spiritual well-being, but also it will help you on getting that inner glow which you require. Now I'll be talking about a few more healing properties this crystal has got to offer. Now rose quartz crystal is popularly known as the love crystal. Yes, you heard it right. It also helps you to attract love into your life, and not just romantic but all forms of love, all forms of healthy love, be it your friends, be it your relatives, your co-workers. It is completely going to declutter you of all the negativity you have been surrounded by. This works on your heart chakra, so this is going to help you get rid of all the emotional disbalance, all the grief, all the bad traumas which you have not been able to get over, and it is completely going to help you heal through that. Now one very easy thing is you can simply carry the crystal with you and let its soft vibrations work for you, but the best way is to have this with the help of the charged water, because biologically speaking our body is made up of 70% water. So what it does is water is a very deep element guys. It retains memory, it retains energy. So whatever intentions you are putting inside the water, it will retain it and it will flow inside your body. So imagine consuming a positive liquid every day and working helping it just work for you in the best way possible. For girls, it will help you get rid of all the mood swings, your PMS, your irritation, your random panic attacks, your anxiety, fear, whichever you have accumulated over the period of time. And for the skin, it will help you get rid of all the acne scars, pigmented spots, and also help you with slowing down the aging process. So it's a very, very good crystal guys. It's a magic stone for beauty, and all it requires is to have complete faith in it and let it work for you for the best. Okay, I have been doing this for a lot of years and it has worked for me. I hope this is going to work for you as well. It will not just instill you with positivity, but it will also help you grow into a better spiritual being. So do let me know if you have found this effective. I'll be glad to know, and do comment and like and subscribe if you have found this video helpful. Thank you.